Here we go. We're gonna make homemade butter for the first time. We've got, you got a black knuckle.
That's why I just rubbed under my eyes.
Okay.
For my mascara, sorry.
And you haven't been working on your car or anything? Okay. There we go. Ooh. Little messy.
Not exactly sure. And then,
Oh, right here.
come on.
There. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Wait. Oh, is it plugged in? It is plugged in. Yeah.
Did I do something wrong?
Oh no, on ours you just go.
Ooh. Ooh. There it went.
Okay.
Right, my fingers.
Oh, it just takes long. Okay, this is at about 3 or 4 minutes in. We're going to keep checking it every 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, we are a couple more minutes in, and it's on the verge of making whipped cream. We turned it up now that it's not seeing cream everywhere. And we are about 2 more minutes in, and it's getting a little thicker, and we'll have whipped cream anytime now. And we've already got whipped cream. That's been like 1 minute since the last clip. Wow! Let's see what it does. Whoa! It's getting close. Are you supposed to scrape the edges down?
And that's how you get butter.
We're going to see if we can raise the bowl a little. We don't know what we're doing. But see, it's leaving a little rim around the edge.
So is it this that moves?
Okay. We couldn't figure out how to adjust it. So we're just scraping it off. And we're going to see if that will kind of get it incorporated better. Okay, we're about to get brave here. Whew. Okay, that's not a good idea. Okay, not a good idea. Okay, we are failing at adjusting it. We tried turning that screw back in there, behind there. Okay. We just keep stopping it and scraping it because we can't get it flush.
I don't know if that's good for it though. I wonder if we're like hurting it by stopping it.
It may be. But I mean, people back in the day with the stick in the pot,
Churning butter.
surely they took breaks.
Took a break. Churning butter. Oh, that piece
Okay. It's starting to look buttery. Let's see. Let's scrape again. Shall we?
Fine. Oh, it's
That
not
looks buttery,
ready yet, though.
but it's
No.
starting to look buttery.
Oh yeah, it's definitely starting to look buttery.
I think we're
Yeah,
on
it's
the
got
right
a lot more to
track.
go though.
Yeah.
For judging from what the other ones look like, anyways.
Uh-huh.
Not that
I'm not good at
a
looking
butter
and filming.
expert or anything. All right.
One more glob through here. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, it's definitely starting to leak. I guess the buttermilk is starting to separate. You see that there? Sweet. We almost have butter. We got slinging buttermilk everywhere. Maybe we should turn it down a little because it is starting to sling pretty good. But that's butter.
It is going over there.
Yeah, it really is. Ooh, okay, it's oh,
Oh wait,
we're getting it.
My bowl is wiggly. Is that normal? Is it supposed to be wiggly?
Yeah, keep going.
Oh,
We're making
there.
butter. Oh, thank you. Okay. Okay, that was part of the problem then. Whoa! Oh, go low, go low. Woo! Look at that. Oh, we're losing our buttermilk.
Blue's got it.
Okay, we're good. The dog's taking care of that. We made butter. We made butter. Okay, we're gonna get it out of the mixer now.
Can I wet it?
Huh? Oh, you turn this like that, one way or the other, and then it releases.
Okay.
I know that
Can I
much.
hit it?
No, you
Look
can't
at it.
lick it yet.
Why?
Because it's not ready to be licked. Okay, we gotta get it all out of here.
But do you put it back in the buttermilk, or?
Well, you just squeeze it out, so
Oh,
it's okay
okay.
if it falls in there.
That makes sense.
Very,
Here, let me hold that.
like, there's gotta be a graceful way to do this, and I'm not
Maybe we should just bang it out.
finding it.
We could take the bowl off the mixer and just put this and let it go. Start her up. Then get it all out. Ooh.
Okay, then it says you squeeze the crap out of it. It says you
Squeeze, anaconda squeeze.
all of it that you can get out of it.
Squeeze. Let's get see how much. Yeah, you get it.
Oh. You've gotten it all out. Plop it in the ice box. What is it, baby? And you let it sit for 15 minutes.
Okay.
Turner.
All right, if
So
you don't
you've
have
made
a
butter.
jar, you use a half-gallon mason jar,
And then what do you do?
and you put the milk in it that you milked from the cow.
Okay.
What if you don't have a cow?
Yeah, what if you don't have a cow?
And then you have to forget the butter.
You go to the store and buy cream.
And you take that, and you, like I always put the lid in to my left hand, and then you go,
You slosh
Slosh
more.
and your arms get real tired.
Okay.
And you just keep doing it and keep doing it and keep doing it. And pretty soon the butter will start curdling up and
kind of
coming to
chunks.
the top.
Uh-huh. What do you do with the buttermilk?
And then you when you get enough of it up there like that, you scoop it off and put it on your butter dish.
What, did you put salt in it or herbs in it?
That we always just did plain old butter. You can put anything you want to in it.
What'd you do with the buttermilk?
Huh?
What'd you do with the buttermilk?
Oh, the milk that was left?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you can make buttermilk. You can leave some of the butter, a little bit of the butter in there.
What do you use it for?
Well, if you like drinking sour milk.
You
which
drink it.
Granny and Granddad would drink it.
Yeah. You didn't waste anything back in the day.
No,
Yeah,
you
that's
didn't.
true. Yeah. Should I keep it?
Yeah.
The buttermilk?
Yeah, put it in a jar.
It looks
Here's the
exactly like
buttermilk.
breast milk.
Oh, that's awkward.
So I have to come in here and let him stop and tell him with me.
Hopefully. I don't even know what to say.
Not use a knife. The buttermilk or the butter?
Both.
Okay.
Okay.
Butter?
Butter.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like butter.
Mm-hmm. That's
Okay.
buttery. That's
Okay.
buttery.
Now you gotta taste the buttermilk.
Buttermilk?
Yay! Yay!
It's kind of chunky. But it doesn't taste bad. Tastes like milk.
It does. It just tastes like not whole milk.
It's 2%.
2%.
There you go. You want to lick it?
Yeah.
It's going to be hard to get off. It's just butter. It's not sweet. What do you think?
Yeah.
Thumbs up? Thumbs up.